morning, guys. It is officially move-in weekend. It's Saturday morning and we are headed over to the house with our first load because we're officially out of boxes. So we need to go to the new house, unpack a few, and then come back to the old house and pack up our kitchen and stuff. But anyways, it is officially move-in weekend and the emotions are hitting me. I'm sure everybody feels this way. I feel like most people do, but I have been emotional with every single move I've ever made. I cried when I left my hometown to go to college a lot, cried for months on that one. Cried when I left the dorms, I'm pretty sure. Cried when I moved out with all my girlfriends and with David. I cried within every apartment we've lived in. I just feel like you get comfortable where you're living and you make such fun memories there, and then to pack it all up just seems so sad. But obviously we're so excited to make memories in this new place, so it'll be good. But this house particularly, I feel like is going to be the hardest to leave just because of the memories we've had here, the biggest of our lives basically. So yeah, it's gonna be very emotional, I'm sure, come Sunday or Monday. But anyways, we're gonna stop blabbing. We are gonna head over to the new house, and I thought I'd bring you guys along our moving day. If you can't tell, it's downpouring out, and I'm pretty sure it's supposed to do that all weekend. So we'll probably look like a mess, but that's okay. I guess it's just a moving weekend. So we're gonna head over to the new house and start unpacking.
Wow, is it always close, ranging from a movie scene to made up people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall, was
we are at the new house now. We have unloaded a bunch of stuff that we had already brought over from last week, and then we went back to the house, packed up our kitchen, and now we're back here, and I think we're just gonna kind of stay here the rest of the day and just get kind of as much in place as we can. But yeah, it feels so good to be here. I think our biggest job today is to get our kitchen fully unpacked and just ready to be able to use, which will be super nice. So that's where we're at right now.
True. Speculating, a long time waiting to hear a word back from you. Conversations in my head, God.
Hi guys, it's already Monday. So sorry that I feel like the last few clips and probably the whole vlog up until this point have been extremely chaotic, but that's just how moving is. And honestly, I pulled out my camera when I felt like I could. I had people here all weekend, so it was just kind of, we were busy. But anyways, it's Monday now and I am home by myself. Remy's with her grandparents and David's working. We hired some movers this morning to do our last minute big items, so our couches, our beds, tables, that kind of thing. And they showed up at 8 a.m. this morning. They basically worked until 2 o'clock, and now we're back at the house. We are officially moved in. We have hardly anything at the old place, and we're gonna stay here for the first night tonight. But it's 2 o'clock now. My goal is just to make this seem as normal as I possibly can in 3 hours. So I really want to work on Remy's room because I just want to, I don't know, make her room look as similar to her old room as I possibly can. I just I don't know why I feel bad for her. She's obviously never been in any other house besides the one we've always lived in. And I just like, I don't know, I feel like as a little 1-year-old you'd be like so confused, like this isn't my room. I don't know, I'm just like, I kind of feel bad for her, but I'm sure she'll be just fine. So my goal is just to make like her room, make our bed, just like put away our bathroom stuff, just get, you know, the basics in place, get our couch like with pillows and blankets, and just make it as cozy as we can so we can have a good first night here. So we're gonna rush around for 3 hours and try to make this place a home. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour, I promise, as soon as I get back, but I'm gonna go to the old house and just grab, we need like our bedding, and I have some things in the wash and just like random stuff like that. So I'm gonna go and grab all of that, grab a couple groceries because we are gonna make dinner here tonight, literally like mac and cheese, like nothing crazy. But so I'm gonna stop at the house, go grocery shopping really quick, and then we're gonna come back here and just organize whatever I possibly can in the next 3 hours. Okay, we're back at the old place. I like don't want to come back here anymore. I feel like I just get sad anytime I come in here. It looks so different. Obviously there's just like nothing really left in here but random little bits that we need to pack up still, and I don't know, it's just like, moving's hard. I feel like, I think I mentioned this at the beginning, but I don't know, I've cried every single move I've ever done in my life because it's just like, I don't know, it's hard. Obviously you make memories at places and stuff like that, so it's just another chapter closing and another one starting. But yeah, I don't know, when I was at the old place I was like, I'm actually not even sad today, but then when I come back here it like hurts me, like when I come in here, like even just like this background, like I won't be like filming in here anymore. I'll maybe show you guys around, even though it looks terrible right now because there's just like random things left, but I'll just kind of show you what it looks like right now. It's like a very sad place. Here is the living room area. Looks so different without all of our stuff in here. The people that are renting from here next wanted this bench, so we're gonna leave that here for them. But yeah, everything else, I mean, there's just like some random things that I need to pack up. This is making me so sad. This is where we used to have our guest room / TV room. Pretty much emptied. And then there's this room, which makes me so sad to leave. I still have to take down her light and curtains, but we're gonna leave this wallpaper for the next family because they have a little girl, and yeah, she wanted it. So we're gonna let her have the little sparrows, and I don't know, this room is definitely the hardest to leave, but okay, I'm back at the house, and I'm gonna start with Remy's room just because I feel like that's most important, that I just get her stuff kind of in order and just get like her monitor and her sound machine and like some of her favorite toys like out, just to make it feel a little bit normal in here. Obviously I just had the movers move the furniture in here. I'm not really sure if stuff is gonna stay this way, and we got a lot to do, but for tonight and for the next month or so, probably even longer, I'm just gonna get this room just to be nice, cute, and comfortable for her. So I'm gonna put on some music and go to town. I'll show you guys kind of what it looks like once I don't know, like declutter some of this stuff. But for now, we'll do a little time lapse of me organizing her bedroom.
Daydreaming got me thinking that this can all be true. Speculating, a long time waiting to hear a word back from you. Conversation.
Okay, here's where I'm gonna end for right now. I basically just got her little dresser set up with her changing table. That mirror is so dirty from her. I have her crib with her little, she sleeps with that little stuffed animal, so I put that in there. And then we just have some of our little stuff, her rocking chair, and then I put her sound machine up and stuff like that. But I think this is as far as I'm gonna go today, but I feel like this looks like her room, and hopefully she, you know, feels relatively comfortable in here. But yeah, this is as far as I got for today. And then to keep it real, this is what the other side of her room looks like. Basically all of her toys, her bookshelves, and everything else are just kind of shoved over here. So that will be taken care of in the next couple weeks, but for now I feel like this is looking better. Okay, feeling good about that. Now I think I'm gonna move to the living room. That shouldn't take me too long. I just want to put like the pillows out, stuff like that. But it's coming along. I'm getting so excited. I literally cannot wait for David and Remy to get home. I'm just like so excited to have our first night here. So yeah, let me show you the living room. Just kind of put some, I don't know, some comfy touches to it. Okay, I think I have the living room pretty well put together. I desperately need to buy a coffee table. Right now I'm using Remy's like little kid table that she got for her birthday as my coffee table. I'll show you guys, but for now this is cozy and it'll work. Okay, this is how far I got. This is Remy's little kid table, and then it has these cute little chairs, but for now it's gonna be our coffee table for a couple weeks. And this is the setup so far. This is the view from the dining room. I love the fireplace. We got a frame TV. I'm so excited to put art on it. We don't have Wi-Fi yet, so we can't even like use it, but it's hung and mounted. So yeah, okay, this is cozy enough. And now I'm gonna go work on our bedroom. For now, I'm just gonna leave this. In probably the next video, I'll go around to each room and kind of share like what I want to do to each space and like what new furniture I'm going to buy and stuff. But for now, we're just going to obviously use what we have. But just to say, I think I want to get a round table here. Do you guys think that would look good? We want it to seat more people than 6, but I feel like just getting a bigger rectangle will kind of take up a lot of this room, like for the walkway into the kitchen. So I'm thinking a round would kind of be a good flow for this room. But anyways, maybe like a big banquet table. I got some ideas, but anyways, this is good for today. I'm gonna head up to our bedroom. Okay, we're up in my bedroom. I just made the bed as you saw, and then I'll actually kind of show you guys around. Here is the master. I'm not really sure if everything is gonna stay this way, obviously, but for now, this is how I have it set up. Our bed, our dresser, and then over in this corner, I would love to get like a comfy chair or like a little couch or something for over there, but for now, I have that little rocking chair. And then over here, I have my big mirror, which is going to be so nice. I love having this. And then in here, we have kind of a little walk-in shower. And I actually unpacked like all of our bathroom stuff earlier today. So that is kind of nice. It's all organized. Yeah, our shower is actually really big. I need to get some like organizers because right now the only shelf space we have is that little corner. So definitely I'm gonna have to buy something for that. But really nice shower, has a skylight, which I love. And then across from the bathroom is our closet. I just kind of put everything in there, and I mean, it's not great, but it's all in here, and I just have to remove all the bags from the clothes. But yeah, that's our closet right now. I think it's so cute with the vaulted ceiling. Kind of excited to like, I don't know, make that kind of cute. We also have a fully finished basement, but I'm not going to show that to you guys today because if you're wondering how I don't have a ton of clutter on this floor, it's because it's all down there and it's a madhouse. So we'll save that for another day. But there is a guest room, a bathroom, and like a big, like, I don't know, TV area. So that's what's downstairs. We do have a guest room or like another bedroom on this floor that's gonna just be an office slash like craft room until maybe we have another baby, and it'll be the other baby's room. So I could show that to you guys. So this room also is a little chaotic, but we just have a desk and that like black cabinet that was in my kitchen area, and then the rest is just like this. So that's the other room. It's a pretty good sized bedroom and will be a cute little office in the meantime.